Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play fast cars and freedom on guitar. We'll start by identifying the core chords, which are G, C, D, and M. Practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes, ensuring each note rings clear. Pay close attention to the strumming pattern for the verse, which is a down, up motion. This foundation is crucial for mastering the song. Next, let's refine your strumming and rhythm. The verse uses a specific down, up pattern, while the chorus might be more open. Focus on keeping a consistent tempo from start to finish. Using a metronome set to about 120 beats per minute will significantly improve your timing and help you lock into the song's groove. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Now let's add some melodic flair. The intro features a simple, memorable melody line that sets the tone. There are also short, tasteful lead fills that appear between vocal phrases. These often involve a quick hammer-on or pull-off. When playing these, focus on clear articulation and, if applicable, practice your bending techniques to add an expressive touch to certain notes. Precision here makes a big difference. Finally, it's time to put everything together. Start by playing through the entire song, moving from the intro to the verses, choruses, and any lead sections. Try playing along with the original recording to get a feel for the overall arrangement and timing. Don't be afraid to slow down and isolate any parts that feel challenging. Consistent practice will help you master fast cars and freedom on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.